Figma to Flutter. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open a browser and search for figma.com. Once the website loads, open the project you want to export. After that, scroll to the bottom and click on Actions in the bottom bar. Use the search bar to look for Figma to Code and click on it. A new option will appear. Click Login with Code T. You will be prompted to enter your account information, so log in using your credentials. After successfully logging in, click the button that says, I understand to proceed. Next, return to the main Figma interface. Tap the layers in your project that you want to export. Once the layers are selected, click on the Flutter option and then click on Export UI Code. Wait for the export process to complete. After that, open a new tab and go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. On the home page, click Getting Started. You will be taken to a new page where you can see the results of your export. Review the output, then click the Export Code button located in the top right corner of the screen. And this is the result of exporting your Flutter code.